Ladies and gentlemen, you may remember when Mike Tyson was on an airplane and a passenger on there was bothering him and he got up and started punching this dude. Well, I guess this is great news for Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson won't face charges after video shows him punching man on plane. Good. So the DA will not be filing any charges on Mike Tyson. So, San Mateo County District Attorney's Office announced Tuesday that no charges will be filed against boxer Mike Tyson after he was seen on video punching a man at San Francisco International Airport last month. The DA office said after reviewing police reports and videos, it will not be filing charges against the former heavyweight champion. The video was obtained by TMZ Sports, showed Tyson repeatedly punching another passenger on board a plane at San Francisco International Airport back in April. So the district attorney wrote yesterday afternoon, the San Mateo County District Attorney's Office concluded its review of the case involving Mike Tyson at the San Francisco airport on April 20th, 2022, and the allegations that he committed a misdemeanor battery against another passenger on the plane while waiting at the terminal prior to departure. We reviewed the police reports of the San Francisco Police Department and the San Mateo County Sheriff's Office and have viewed the various videos collected by law enforcement from other passengers on the plane. Our decision is that we will not file any charges against Mr. Tyson based on the circumstances surrounding the confrontation. These include the conduct of the victim leading up to the incident, the interaction between Mr. Tyson and the victim. Oh, so they're not giving his name, they're just calling him the victim, as well as the requests of both the victim and Mr. Tyson that no charges be filed in this case. We now deem this case closed. Thank you. Mr. Tyson's attorney released a statement on Tuesday. Remember, Mike Tyson seen on a video punching another passenger on board a JetBlue flight in San Francisco. Well, today the San Mateo DA's office announced after reviewing police reports and video, it has decided it will not file any charges against Mr. Tyson based on the circumstances of surrounding the confrontation. Their decision included the conduct of the victim leading up to the incident, the interaction between the victim and Tyson, and requests by the victim and Tyson that no charges be filed. According to TMZ Sports, the incident escalated after a passenger took a selfie with Tyson on board a JetBlue flight headed to Florida. Tyson reportedly took the picture with a man sitting behind him, but the man's friend apparently annoyed Tyson by continuing to talk to him. Sources close to Tyson told TMZ Sports that the man was extremely intoxicated and that Tyson reportedly told him to chill before the incident turned violent. Tyson's representative said the passenger threw a water bottle at Tyson while he was in his seat, and that's what provoked the boxer. Minutes after the confrontation, Tyson walked off the plane. According to TMZ Sports, the man he punched was bloodied and received medical treatment before going to the police. San Francisco police confirmed that they did respond to a report of a physical altercation on board an airplane at SFO. Officials said they detained two individuals believed to be involved in the incident, but neither cooperated fully with the investigation and were later released. Tyson was spotted at a San Francisco uh, 420 event at Golden Gate Park promoting the products from his cannabis company. The boxer was scheduled to speak at a cannabis conference. Oh, okay. So that's where he was going in Miami. There was a cannabis conference in Miami, Florida before the incident occurred. So that's where he was heading. Good for Mike Tyson. Look, I'm glad he didn't get charges for that. And besides, if that, they don't give the victim's name, they just call him the victim. So you can clearly see they're trying to protect him. So anyway, if he threw a water bottle at him, then he got what he deserved, which means that guy, which they refer to as the victim, he provoked the whole thing. Should have just left Mike Tyson alone. Seriously. You should have just left him alone. But I'm glad he's not facing any charges over the incident because you know how these folks are. They will blow the whole incident up if it were to go to court. And you know how courts are in America. They probably would have tried to throw the book at him. But now he doesn't even have to worry about that. He can go on about his business. And the other guy, I saw how you got jacked up in that video. And mm, I wish I could say something to you, but I just won't say it. But you got what you deserve. Next time, leave people alone. That's a problem that y'all have. You don't know how to leave folks alone. You don't know what that is. But please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.